Hi guys, it's Michelle. Welcome to Grateful Creations. Tonight I'm going to do a pour over on here. I'm going to do a cloud pour and I'm going to try and spin it out. If it doesn't work out spinning it out, then I'm going to take this off and get rid of this. But this is really, this is an older canvas, but I've got it set up so that I can put it on this turntable and it stays on real good. Yeah, let's talk about what's wrong with this. Too much gold, hardly any composition, and not enough. If you're gonna do negative space, you need to have a little bit more negative space. But this is a really smooth canvas. I did take a sanding block and sanded it just in case, but some of them you can't really pour over because it doesn't work out well. They end up bumpy. So here we go. Okay, that's good. So we have goldens, teal. I'm not sure I'm going to be using all of these colors. This is Amsterdam greenish blue, and I've watered them down quite a bit. They're really, really thin. This is TLP with this little piggy in sapphire. We're going to try this out. This might be the star of the show, I hope. But I made a paint out of the pigment. Of course, we have our Artist Loft metallic cobalt blue, Amsterdam permanent red violet, golden Quinacridone nickel azo gold mixed with some iridescent medium. I think I saw a bug in there. Decoart extreme sheen 24 karat gold. This is Amsterdam Prussian phthalo blue. This is the one I'm not sure I'm going to be using as well. And then of course our cloud mix, which is Artist Loft. Oh, this is a little thick. I'm going to have to thin this out. Artist Loft Flow White with Decoart satin enamels in pure white and water, and I think there's Floetrol in here too. So we do want, especially our cloud mix, to be a little on the thinner side. Actually, we really should have all of our paints the same consistency. This is a 20 by 20 canvas. We're going to need 16 ounces of paint. I have some flow extender already mixed up here. And let's get to it. So the first color I'm going to put in is just a teensy tiny bit of white. I think I'll try and do the dirty pour again. Here we go. From up high, that is the TLP. And then we are going to put in a little bit of white. The white usually sinks to the bottom anyway. And then after that, we are going to use, kind of want to, it doesn't really matter what you do for a dirty pour because it's all going to get mixed up anyway. But when you're doing ring pours, you want to alternate the light colors with the dark colors. canvas. It's been through a lot, a lot of changes. Let's see if I can stretch this out a little bit here. Hope you guys can see what I'm doing. Hope I can see what I'm doing. It's not horrible. Let's see what we like and what we don't like. You know, I should just go ahead and report right now because I'm always, it always takes 2 times for me to get it right. I don't like this caca green. No, and this is a weird looking little cell. So what can we do different? I'm going to dump a lot of this paint off and start fresh. All right, we're gonna start over. Ew. Yeah, I'm not liking any of that. What did I do wrong? Why is this? Oh, that's the permanent red violet next to something. All right, guys, let's do another cup. Let's do a layered cup instead of a dirty pour. We'll have a little bit more control over that. I'm stepping in paint. I'm gonna have to take a, oh, I wish I could go into my pool right now. It's too dang cold. We're not gonna put the white in the bottom this time. This time we are going to put, that's the Goldens. And then we're gonna put, this is the TLP. And put a little white. And we'll put some of the greenish blue. Then we'll put some more white. Then we'll put some gold. Yeah, I like when I have more control. Then we'll do the permanent red violet. And a little bit more gold. A little bit more white. Still have more white left. Greenish blue. A little more white. Running out of white. And cobalt. Let's see here. It's the phthalo, Prussian phthalo, and a little more gold. That's going to make the green. And a little bit more white. All right, I think we've got enough paint here because we have a lot on the canvas too. I should put, yeah, the hell. All right, let's try this again. This time we're gonna do a ring pour or a straight pour. Do I want a straight pour? Yeah, we'll just start it. Here we go. Much better. Much better. All right. Gotta get all this stuff out of the way. All right, guys. This I'm loving. And I really do want to keep the composition, even though I'm moving it right now. I just want to make sure that everything's even so that it comes off even. And here we go. Whoa. And oh shoot. I love these colors together. Oh my gosh. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Now we're talking. I'm gonna give it another spin. Oh, this is much better, guys. And I can see some of the darker blue peeping through, so that's going to come out too. Spin. Holy cow. All right. Still a lot of paint on it. Well, let me get that one corner. Go, go, go. Maybe it's because there's no paint on it. That could be it. Gotta have something to move the paint. Go, go, go. Holy Toledo. I am loving this. This is, oh my God, I think it's one of my best paintings ever. Come on, give me a break. Shoot, I don't have any more white left either. Do I have the rest of the cup somewhere? Yes, I do. I'm so happy. Go, go, go. Go, go, go. All right, it's off. Now it's off center. Bringing it back. Guys, I am loving this. The last one I did, the cloud pour, it's drying perfectly. There was that one I did on New Year's Eve, and it should have dried good, but it was so bloody windy outside that it dried too fast and it cracked. And that was very unfortunate. What do you think? Oh, it's heavenly. I have to torch it yet. Yeah, I'm so, for some reason, I always do better on the second round. I'm kind of glad I re-poured this one. I'm really glad I re-poured this one. Let me torch it. It's going to develop some more too. I'm going to bring it down after it develops because I see a lot of stuff, even as I'm torching it right now, I see a lot of stuff here that's coming out. Oh, my torch is losing gas. I got another one. The big guns. Yeah, this is bringing out a lot more. All right. The only thing I want to do is move this back a little bit and down a little bit. Holy moly. This pin is coming out. Better put another one in. All right, guys, I'll be back for the close-up in just a few minutes. All right, guys, here it is. I should get you from up here. I'm in love with this. This is a special piece. I really, really love it. Oh. So oh God, look at that. I hope it dries well. See all those cells that are coming out up top here? That'll probably continue for a while, hopefully. And this is that TLP sapphire in there. Look at that. Look at those lines. So beautiful. And the lacing from the cloud mix. And the blending of the colors. But down here, there's some green that, it's not like the green from the last one. Beautiful. Look at that. Look at those veins. Oh. And look, that's an odd looking cell. I could try and fix it, but I think I'll just leave it. And then those fingerlings. These got a little bit wonky, not too bad. Looks like a rosebud or something. Some kind of flowering bud. Yeah. It's a keeper. Hope you guys have a nice evening. Please like, share, and subscribe. And stay safe and create.